Today we will start here to solve the word problems related with addition. In these word problems, few keywords are given in the last line. Then at first you have to check that one. What are the keywords? You will get their total, or in all, or all together, altogether, together, some, or numbers are increasing. If these keywords are not given, then numbers are increasing. Then you have to apply their addition sign. Remember once again, in the word problems of addition, few keywords you will get in the last line of the example, that is total, in all together, altogether, some, together, or numbers are increasing. If you will get these keywords or numbers are increasing, you will not get their if keywords, then numbers are increasing, then you have to apply their addition sign. Now we'll see here exercise 2.3, example number 1. Here given Raman earns rupees 62,740 and Saran earns rupees 71,302 each in a month. How much, this is the question mark, do they earn each month together? As before I told, you have to find out the keyword. What is the keyword given here? Together. Together means we have to add the earnings. Add the earnings. Then what things are given at first? Look here. Here given Raman, right there, earns is equal to rupees 6, this is 2, 7, 4 and 0. Give proper space between the digits. Again, what is given? Saran earns. Then right here, Saran earns is equal to exactly below up is equal to rupees exactly below up, that rupees, and arrange from this side. Then right here 2, this is 0, then 3, then 1 and then 7. What is the keyword? Together. If together is given, then we have to apply here the addition or plus sign. Now this is the word problem. Now we have to solve. As we add, we always solve from this side to this side. 0 plus 2, then 2. 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 is double digit. Then write 0 here, carry here 1 and circle the carry. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is single digit, then we will not carry. 6 plus 7, 30. Then write here 13. This is rupees, then write here rupees. Exactly below up is equal to, write is equal to. Now how much do they earn? Okay, how much do, this is the question mark. Then how we write the answer? Then write here they. Start to write from leaving the question mark. They earn each month together. Make the box over this one properly. Leave one line space and again write thus. Write the same. They earn each month together is equal to rupees 1,34,042 rupees, and make the box over. Like that you have to solve the example. Then what is the key factor in this one? first reading is must. You have to read the word problem carefully. After that you have to get the meaning. What things are given you have to write. Then find out the keyword. If you will find there that keyword, then apply the plus sign. Which keywords? As I told before it, total, in all, altogether, altogether, sum, or numbers are increasing. In this way you have to solve. Question number 2. In a school library, where we keep the books, that is called the library. Where we play, that is called playground. Where we learn, that is called classroom. Where we eat or where we cook food, that is called kitchen. Same as like that. If we keep books on a special that room, that is called the library. There are 1,01,000 English books. This is the number of English books given. 93,821 Hindi books. This is the number of Hindi books given. And 1,17,085 books of other languages. How many? This is the question mark. Books are there in the library. Then look here. How many? This is question mark. Books are there in the library. Then here there is no keyword given. Then how we will decide this is related with which sign? Then this is very simple. Library is given. For example, this is library. Here we keep all the books. Then here what is there? English book. What is there? Hindi book. And again books of other languages. Books of other languages. Then all these are in the library. All these are in the library. Means here the number of books are increasing separately. English, Hindi and books of other languages. Here different numbers given. Means all these numbers are what? Increasing. Because all these books are in the library. That's why number of books are increasing. Then we have to apply here the addition or plus sign. Then how to solve? Look here. At first write this statement. In a library or in a school library, if you want to write, there are 1,01,000 English books. Then below of that what you have to write? Number of what given? English books is equal to 1,01,000. Write clearly and separately. Give proper space between the digits. After that what is given? Hindi books. Then write here number of Hindi books is equal to, exactly below of is equal to, arrange this number from this side. Okay, then write this one exactly below of this 1, then exactly below of 10 2, then 8, then 3, then 9. Again and 1,17,085 books of other languages. Then write here number of books of other languages is equal to, exactly below of is equal to, you have to write. Now arrange the number from this side. Write here 5, then 8, 0, 7, 1 and then again 1. What is the conclusion? Before it I cleared how many books are there in the library. Okay, we have to find books in the library. Okay, then all these are the books in the library. Means the number of books are increasing. Then we have to apply here addition sign, because there is no any keyword is given. Then look here, we always solve from this side to this side. Add all digits 0, 1 and 5, you will get here 6. 0, 2 and 8, you will get 10. Then right here 0, carry here 1. 1, 0, 1, 8, 9, 9, 0, 9. 1, 3, 4, 7, 11, carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 1, 11, carry again 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Is equal to, exactly below of is equal to. How many is the question mark? Then we will not write this one. Then what we write here? Books are there in the, space is not there, then write here library. Below of that again write thus books are there in the library is equal to 3,11,906. In this manner you have to solve. Then what you have to do, read the example carefully. What things are given you have to write properly. Here English books given, Hindi books given, and books of other languages given. After that find out the keywords. If keywords are not given, then find the numbers are increasing or not. If numbers are increasing, then you have to apply the plus sign. Write that all the is equal to, exactly below of is equal to, all the ones digit, tens digit as we clear before it. Like that you have to solve.